Atochin chitab Kalenjin eng ketesiet noton ichome nebo Kass TV. Tetutik noton nebo Kass Mashinani nekakitau tuan en inguni kainenyin ko Shadrack Mutai Itagat. Kakomwa kampunit noton nebo Kenya Seed kole tindoi icheket keswek cheyomotin en kabatik chemuch koboisien en inguni kasarta nemiten ropta kokolso icheket. Kosibkei ak ofisayat neo en kampunit noton nebo Kenya Seed Sami Chepsirot komwa kole bo kamanut en kabatik kora komuch kochikil keswek cheole icheket asimakiberber. Kakimuch keng'alal en tai ak Sami Chepsirot yekangomiten ketesiet noton nebo Kass FM. Tetutik ko noton nebo len emet akokoito kurset koityi kabatik komuch kokiljigei kabatisiet en mwaet kole chobot Kenya Seed konamgei tugul eun en kibagenge. Kimiten en inguni ak MD noton nebo kampunit netinyegei ak chobetab keswek choton cheititootin en emetab Kenya. Inendet ko Sami Chepsirot. Ine ko MD nebo kampunit noton nebo Kenya Seed Group of Companies. Sasa komong'u icheket keswek ko en inguni kemiten en igorwek choton chebo robwek en emetab Kenya chemokyingei kabatik keswek cheyomotin ama cheyomotin kobaten chekororonen chemuch kemin ak kemuch kenyor amitwogik cheyomotin. Ibwat ile kotestai komwa president kole kotestai korek olyet noton nebo amitwogik en emetab Kenya. So korek olyetab amitwogik komokotin konyor kabatik keswek choton che ititootin. Woi mising Sami Chepsirot MD nebo Kenya Seed Group of Companies. Mwochi ko inguni une ng'alekab keswek choton chekotindoi en store neng'wong'et amun angen ale ikeni anan kusio kabatik en inguni komokyingei icheket keswek chekikole amun roboni en emet.
Kongoi mising biikab Kalenjin ak achek tugul. Netai amwae kongoi amu kokenyoru nafas ko ki Kenya Seed Company kechop ng'alekab keswek en Kenya. Kuyo kemwa kitinye keswek en kenyini, ketinye keswek cheyomek en emetab Kenya ak ketinye tetutik chekororon amu kikibe mbar, kikiweke mbar kosubkei ak kursetab serikali ipkechop ng'alekab keswek yome emetab Kenya en kenyini kibendi. En kenyisiek oeng chekokosirto yetab konyo serikalit nelel ko kenyini kemi tai mising ng'alekab keswek chebo emetab Kenya. Kitinye keswek chebo bandek cheyome emetab Kenya ak ketinye keswek chebo sokosokek, chebo sokosokek ko kokeyai amu edible oil. Ketinye keswek cheyome Kenya karibu mara tatu en kenyini keswekab sokosokek chekichole because of edible oil. Kitinye keswek kora chebo nganuk cheyome kenyini. Kitinye keswek chebo 6 million kong'ete 2 million en kenyini. Ikere ile kokeyai karibu mara tatu kou makutikab emetab Kenya. Kitinye kora keswek chebo pasture cheyome ak kitinye keswek kora chebo ngwek ak tuguk tugul chemokotin en emetab Kenya kou yemokotin kenyini.
Nguni oo ropta lakini moingen kele wet netyana. Tos mi keswek chebo short season chemuch komwa kabatik kole koboisien keswek ma lazima bandek ichek kobaten ki age tugul nemuch kemin en ropta moinoe kele ito ano ropien nguni.
Kitinye keswek cheterterchin kosubkei ak makutikab biikab Kenya. Kitinye keswek chebo short rains chekikure DH04 ak alak chekikure 513 ak alak cheterterchin. Alechini wakulima koba en branches chebo Kenya Seed kimaswekab Kenya ole mi sikoro keswot kosubkei ak makutikyik en areait nemitei chebo betusiek cheng'ering ak chebo betusiek chekoen. Ko nguno komite tuguchoto. Kitinye ngwek cheterterchin cherurtos haraka. Kitinye akot sunflower anan ko sokosokek che 3 months ko kaikol kainyoru faida nekemeche ak itar ak itesetai kasit age nekomokotin. Ngiwe Kenya Seed Company amu Kenya Seed Company ko supermarket nebo ng'alekab keswek inyoru makutikuk kosubkei ak ole kimoktoi sinyoru keswek chemokotin.
Ma keswek kityo Chepsirot kobaten keswek cheititootin. Mongen kit neo somuch okirinde keswek cheyachen chemiten en siret en inguni choton naat ko fake seeds. Yon kotestai kora kimong ako ne kit nekiromuch oyai maybe on the feature neter simat kebourenjin keswek chekioldoi en siret chemoititootin.
Netai ko iman ngap komi fake seed cheyoe biik chemokororon cheoldojin wakulima fake seed anan ko keswek chemakichikil. Ako kameche amwochi biikab Kenya cheyoe ng'alek chemokororon chebo keswek chemokonyolunotin mat kwalda keswek chemochikilotin kwoldochi wakulima. Asanet neo noto no ako kito nesamis kabisa amu keswek chemakichikil kobore emet ete lagok amitwogik ete lagok koba sukul amu keswot ko oret nenyorchingei kelchin chito mung'arenyi ak tetutik tugul chetinye ng'alekab maendeleo. Ako amu kimeche konyor biikab Kenya amitwogik cheyome sotestai maendeleo kekere kong ak kemwochini biik chetinye makutikab kwalda keswek chefake kelechi meyanat kunoto no ako keretab kong nekikochin en emetab Kenya. Ko ngap komi iman fake seed koya kaimwa ak kesoe kostoegei bichoto cho bo keswek chemonyolu.
Maybe challenges chemuch koborenjini ko Kenya Seed kora cheter apart from fixes chemuch komiten en siret noton kora nemuch ketes beit noton nebo keswek anan kamuch konyoru agents chemara maisulen boisiet kou ele makat. Challenges chemuch koborenjini en nguni.
Challenge neo nekitinye nguno ko kikilgei ko Kenya Seed amu demand nebo keswek eng emetab Kenya. Challenge nekararan noto, yani melen challenge nekararan neya. Meche serikalitab Kenya kokokil wakulima konai umuhimu nebo keswek eng ngalekab amitwogikab Kenya. Especially eng serikalit nelel nekokoit nebo Arap Ruto, agenda number 1 nebo better government ko in agriculture. Ko kito nebo kamanut eng agriculture ko keswek. Ko kito nekorom ko kikilgei ko Kenya Seed Company kimangu keswek chemeche biikab Kenya amu mi barak makutikwak. Challenge ne makararan mising ko ngalekab makitinye mbarenik cheyome kekol keswek. Ako noto kesome wakulima kotoretech ketestai amu koketiem noto no. Challenge age nekikere ko ngalekab mogonjweshek cheterterchin chenome keswek ako nome bandek ako nome minutik cheterterchin eng emetab Kenya. Ako noto ketieme or age tugul kiro kele kakinyoru solution nebo noto. Ak challenge age kemwa tayari ko nebo keswek chemachikilotin chekialdoi eng Kenya koya amanyolu noto no. Tatya kit age kora nekikere ko ngap kongetin ko kakenyoru keswek chechang kenyoru minutik chechang ko ngap komach kwo ngwony beitab bandek eng emetab Kenya, lakini kiboiboi amu kikere serikali koko stabilize ngalekab price nebo keswek. Ko noto nekekere kele ngap ketinye challenge kidogo nemi. Ko challenge age nekomi ko kimi ngwony keswek price nebo anan beitab kechop keswek anan ko seed production. Lakini ko Kenya Seed Company ko kokilany beit nguno kwo barak sikomit ketach biik akobwa biik kokolwech keswek sikotoret emetab Kenya akotoret biikab Kenya ngalekab amitwogikab emetab Kenya amu Kenya Seed koboe Kenya. Ko yeboe Kenya komeche kenyorchi keswek cheyome sikobit kotestai maendeleo. Ingen ile ngalekab keswek kotinye opportunity neo nea eng sobetab biik. Keswek ko sobet amu keswek ketinye seed growers chekole keswek eng emetab Kenya chechang olatugul nebo emetab Kenya chekole kokakonyor livelihood nenywa. Keswek ketinye seed agents anan ko stockists anan ko agents chemi olatugul. Keswek ketinye seed transporters. Ikere ile agri business koetu ketinye keswek singila lorishek chechang koloe makatinik, koloe kabichek, koloe bandek, koloe ne ko bunu ngalekab keswek ngalechoto eng emenyo kotoretech ketestai kerib serikalitab Kenya ak kerib emetab Kenya eng amitwogik ak maendeleo nebo emetab security.
Nebo let Sami Chepsiror, mongen kalenda nengwonget en nguni kebendi tai. Ne kit nekene kabatik angen ale mi nan komi ot ndoi ngalekab show nan ndoi ngalekab exhibition ngalekab onet kabatik. Ne kalenda kit nemi tai nokwek en nguni ko Kenya Seed koityi kabatik.
Netai ko kepangan komie ngalekab keswek. Ngochopkei wakulima sikonyor keswekwak ko kebendi kenyit nenyone kitinye keswek cheyome eng first season ko kesir target nekikokonech. Second season nebo keswek kongete nguno arawetab December nekakibe ak kikolsei kimoswek cheterterchin second season akoi arawetab mut angwan yo kole kokakoimangu keswek alak kokenyoru kibendi beyond the target nekikakikonech serikali eng keswek chemokotin. Nebo kamanut ko keswek chebo nganuk, chebo bandek ketinye kuyo kamwoiwok ketinye kosir kenyit konye ak ketinye kokeit target nekimie serikali. Nebo aeng ko nganuk keyoe more than double in fact 3 times kenyit konye. Nganuk amu komoche serikali keswek cheyome nganuk sikenyoru chapati, sikenyoru mandazi, sikenyoru tuguchu tugul chekichobe kekishechu tugul. Nebo somok ketinye keswek kora chebo sunflower, edible oil, nechobe edible oil naongen ko kokechop komie kuyo makat kiyoe karibu 3 times last year, yani karibu mara 3 kenyit konye. Nebo angwan ketinye kora keswek chebo pasture ko suswekab tuga, amitwogikab tuga ak ne chemi barak kora kosir kenyit konye. Karibu kila keswot age tugul eng Kenya nekichobe nguno eng Kenya Seed amu kitinye varieties karibu 60 eng Kenya, seed varieties cheterterchin 60 tugul eng Kenya Kenya Seed ko karibu kesire target age tugul nekomakat eng kenyini. This is the time nekokinyoru environment nekararan, kokinyoru eutab serikali nekararan ako kokonech support nekararan ako kokikilgei ko Kenya Seed ak ketinye kenyini kelchin nebo kamanut kesapoten amitwogikab Kenya kobun keswek chekichikil chebun Kenya Seed kenyini nemakitinye tashwishi neo kosubkei ak makutikab amitwogikab Kenya. Lakini kamoche alei biik kyok kora amu keswek mabo Kenya inegei. Ingele mi Kenya Seed Kenya ako mitei Uganda ako mi Tanzania ako mi Rwanda ako inde kokobo DRC ko keyoe commercial business eng masin bo sang asikiwe koame chepkondok kenyoru nekeboishe eng Kenya sikenyoru keswek cheome. Kameche kora ngowale keswek kwok owale ole kararan ak owale ole makat ako sindakitau kealde keswek siawale amu melen kele Kenya inegei nebwone Kenya kwale keswek. Bwone biikab sang chechome Kenya amu mi free movement of people in East Africa ak COMESA komeche sisye kobangankei biik kyok simamutai kekosan keswek amu Kenya komi barak mising ng'alekab keswek eng emetab Africa kobwone biik amu meche biik quality seed ako meche quantity neyomei ak chekororon ko noto nekemeche kemwochi biik kyok sikochop konyone. Kit age nekipongoni bendi biik Christmas celebrations ko nguno ko ki Kenya Seed Company kokichop tuyet nekimeche keyai nekimeche kenyoru wakulima cheu seed growers chebo keswek seed suppliers and seed transporters, yani biik chechobe keswek chekole keswek biik cheletoi keswek ak biik cheibote keswek komaswek nekimi ola tugul ak counties chebo agricultural area nekikere kele kikonu value ko kokekoshine meche keyai tuyet nebo keyamegei emosto ak wakulima sikekas makutikab wakulima kele len ne, kekas makutikab growers chebo keswek kele len ne, kekas makutikab transporters kole kiiptoi ano keswek amu keswek keribe kabisa kou lakwet amu sensitive keswek ko kokikurgei nekindoi wikit nenyone tomo kekoshine kele ole kindoi sikeyamegei emosto sikomwoiwok makutik kwak kemwochi plan nekitinye kituye kenyoru kelchin kenai kele kibendi ano eng amitwogikab Kenya kong'ete nguno biikab seed growers ak biikab transporters ak biikab cheoldoi keswek keumgei tugul sikebir challenges chekinye tugul kibagenge koboto biikab serikali Ministry of Agriculture nekibe tugul ak counties chekole keswek ako chebo keswek akokokashine kele kiyoe sikiro. Nebo kit age nekameche amwoi biik kyok kora amu amitwogik kobendi ng'alekab common issue chebo wananchi kemitei ko ki Kenya Seed Company kemi Chepsaita Race no kitinye tungwani bo Mos eng Uasin Gishu olinbo Uasin Gishu kemitei olindo ko ki Kenya Seed kesupporteni ng'alekab labatetab lagok kyok amu labatet kora ko bichu kwame amitwogik kyok ale keswek kyok kemi kesponsoni ak kemi keparticipateni ak kebwone akoi Kenya kemi akot labatet nabo biik cheechen ak nebo wafanyakazi kemi Chepsaita tugul. Nebo aeng kora age nebo kamanut komi event nebo maana noto kotetusop Chepsaita ak ketoche wakulima chechok tugul ak ketoche labatik tugul ak ketinye presence chebo keswek ngisir namba 1 2 akoi 10 kikoitoi keswek kenyini nyone bikol keswek chotocho eng yundo ak kemi live kora keswek eng yundo ngomeche wakulima kwal keswek amu ngap komonye nafas neole kemite yundo. Nebo aeng kemite kapkuko ko event neo nemi olinbo Mount Elgon ole kibunu biikab kalenjin tugul kitinye event kitinye betut nekitinye betusiek somok chekiame logoi ak keyamegei emosto kapkuko wekse biikab kalenjin ola tugul chebo Keiyo chebo Merkwete chebo Nandi chebo Kipsigis chebo Tugen ak Mount Elgon tugul biikab Sabeny ketuitosi tugul eng olindo kong'ete tarik 5 kemite kapkuko kibendi gaa bikoti kapkuko tugul biikab kanisa boisiekab kanisa kandoik kyok ak toek cheechen chebwone kesupporteni ko Kenya Seed that event kisponsoni amu companies buy good ideas. If we have a good idea like that kesupporteni amu kitinye wakulima eng yundo ako naat kapkuko ng'alekab keswek kora kole keswek chebo Kenya ako kole amitwogik kyok kebendi kelen kongoi ak bichoto eng sherehe noto no kitinye eng betusiek somok tarik 5 arawet nebo 12 tarik 6 ak tarik 7 ketinye toek chebunu maswek terterchin ak ameche amwoi kongoi Kass FM amu icheket chekosupportenech kemuch kisuldae kioto no tugul chu keyoe amu amitwogik kiyoe amu keswek kiyoe amu maendeleo nebo biikab Kenya kiyoe amu kibagenge nebo bororienyo ak bororietab Kenya ak ketinye toek chebunu Uganda kora chebo kalenjin chebwone betut noto no olinbo kapkuko neketuiye tugul ongetuiye ak Kenya Seed Company eng yundo sikeam logoi tugul ak keyamegei emosto ak keboiboiti eng kapkuko ak kibwat keswek ak kibwat Kenya ak kibwat biikab kalenjin chechok. Kongoi.
Kot missing inendet ko Sami Chepsiror. Inendet ko CEOt neo en kampunit noton nechobe keswek cheititootin en emetab Kenya noton nebo Kenya Seed Group of Companies nemomiten kityo emetab Kenya kobaten mi emoni ak emoni chemiten en East Africa chebo emetab Kenya, emetab Uganda ak emet noton nebo kemwa ile nebo DRC. Nebo DRC. Kongot missing ko kakiit let akoi nguni testai keker Kass TV amun kimnatet neit. Noton ko kaopsayat no en kampunit netinye ak chobetab keswek noton nebo Kenya Seed Sami Chepsiror. Kistoenge noton ko koinde siyet CEO nebo World Free Zones Organization Dr. Sami Amroni nebo kasuldaetab Tatu City tetutik chebo kokimitetab boisiet musoknotet noton nebo kasari en taunisiek chebo emoni. Tokyingei koshinet noton kikimit tetutik chebo ribetab itonwekab emet kit nekanopto noton boisiet ak bandab tai.
I'm happy and proud to be here and finally to sign the two agreements. Selecting Tatu City both for national contact point and regional office is based on the same criteria that we have applied with the other 11 regional offices worldwide and 40 national contact point. We need a partner that is strongly existing in the country, efficient, track record, and believing in our organization vision and mission, which is empowering zones to be the most somehow active element of the local economy, and empowering zones also to help countries to deliver the sustainable development goals. The selection of both national contact point and regional office is a common selection to all our members. So the idea, we would like to have an entity that believe that zones should go beyond just economic development. Zones should be a place for innovation. Zones should be a place for sustainability. Zones should be a place for local prosperity. Any national contact point and any regional offices should help us to implement this message locally, nationally, and regionally.
Our immediate priorities is really to just foster a more closer working relationship, not just for Tatu City, but for the players in this industry, in this space, with the World Free Zones Organization, and try to, make this a bit more of not just a physical office, but in terms of content, in terms of training, in terms of knowledge exchange, and in terms of just interacting more and more at more international and global level, so that we can bring those learnings closer home. From the experience that we've had, you have to do things together. We have to learn and go travel this journey together with the necessary stakeholders, including government. So those are the key learnings that we've had, and that's why we are associating with this kind of global players like the World Free Zone Organization to bring those learnings not just to Tatu City but to the industry here, and see how we can work together to build this economy. It's not just a project. We view it as an economy that we want to grow from a regional perspective. The whole space of sustainability is something that we are now focused on in a very serious way. And some of these things are as basic and as practical as how do we treat the environment.
Tesetai en inguni tuyet noton neindochin opsayat no en kibagengeit noton nebo International Confederation for Chamber of Commerce and Enterprise neindochin Jiten Shah ole mwoe kotiengei ak oleu en inguni kasuldaetab mung'aret en emoni. Ngekas kit nemwoe.
Cheaper, make it easier. If you learn from India, they've got something called Digital Public Infrastructure, DPI. Google it, you'll find out. DPI is something that the government invested in, and they've given it for free to everybody to use, which means you got M-Pesa for free. You got QR codes for free. Even the person on the street selling groundnuts in India, I saw them. They have a QR code and you just pay them a tap and that's done. And no cost, no charge. That would improve our system here so much more better rather than this whole control.
And lastly, from my end, what should Kenyans expect, especially from now, such an event, and let's say from Kenya and India relations when it comes to manufacturing and even just this whole partnership?
I think Kenya is an amazing place to invest in. Kenyans are super people, and I think it's an avenue set for investment, number one. Number two, we only need to reset a few things, and that's where if our legislation opens up and says, fine, let's make it better and improve the conditions, we'll have people coming in and say, fine, let's go manufacture here, because the opportunity you bring is free market access to the whole of Africa, to East Africa, to AGOA, right, to Europe. What other better place? And then you've got people. We've got availability of people. We've got availability of skills, English speaking. So we are in a very good place. We've got a lot of, democracy works very well here in Kenya, right? And therefore you're the media guys. Freedom of speech is allowed. Where else is it allowed? Try doing this in other countries, in neighboring countries. You can't. So therefore, I think we've got something very good going. Let's not give it up. Let's make sure we make it even better. And I think the aspirations in the manifesto for all the parties, go and see the manifesto, study them. The manifesto said it all. Let's live up to that.
Thank you very much.
Tosha, thank you. Good, guys. Thank you. You know you were trying to get towards protest, eh?
Yeah.
Done.
Opportunities that Kenya present in terms of manufacturing and investment. Yeah.
Okay, have you said?
Given me this, you may start.
Okay, very well. My name is Ambassador Esther Waringa. All right.
You're spying on me, huh?
You ready?
My name is Ambassador Esther Waringa, the President of Public Service Governance, and that's one of the reasons why we are here, because trade and investment is part of public service delivery. And we are saying here today that it's a great day when the International Confederation for Chambers of Commerce and Enterprises, all the way from New Delhi, is coming to Kenya to open up opportunities for trade and investment. We want to say very clearly that Kenya has quite a good climate and environment for trade and investment. Actually, Kenya is a pace setter in the continent of Africa, and we are pushing it forward through the bilateral and multilateral trade agreements to ensure and facilitate a conducive environment for the country and even for the continent. Here today, there is a very big chance that has been opened in the country that against everything else that is happening, especially in the governance space, we still have investors out there who are willing to come and invest in the Republic of Kenya. But we need also as a country to put our books to order. We need to ensure that licensing, we need to ensure that taxation, we need to ensure that the cost of doing business is lowered in this country, because most of the investors are really willing, and they have demonstrated their willingness here today, that they are ready to invest in Kenya. But what are we doing on governance space? What are we doing on the political space too, so that we are able to pull more investors into the country? And Kenya has been struggling with job creation, and this is one of the very big opportunities that Kenya has to be able to create job opportunities for our youth. Secondly, we have been struggling with economic growth and stability. This is a big opportunity that when these investors are coming from Asian continent, eyeing Kenya as a destination for their products, eyeing Kenya for their destination of manufacturing, eyeing Kenya for the destination of all that they are doing, then we are telling ourselves as a country that once we put everything into order, the world is ready for us to be able to invest in these beautiful countries. And our youth, our Gen Zs who are out there looking for jobs, the people from out of the country, from other continents, are ready to come and invest here so that we can be able to create an enabling environment for job creation. I would want to address one of the key issues that have been raised here today. How can we be able to enhance efficiency in our licensing, in our taxation processes in Kenya? Because most of the investors, when they hit our airport, the next thing is that there is quite a bureaucratic processes that they go through. And this is one of the issues that we really need to address. Bureaucratic processes on licensing, bureaucratic processes on permits, bureaucratic processes on taxation. Once we address this, then we will be able to open up the Republic of Kenya for a very, very friendly investments, not only for Asian continent, but also for other countries around the world. So it's a really big opportunity, and we request the Minister for Trade and Investment, you must move very quickly. We must also depoliticize trade and investment. We must make sure that public service is separated from the political arm of government, because we have seen very friendly people today, but are we putting everything to order to give them a friendly environment? They are ready, ready and willing. From manufacturing, people here from Asia, from New Delhi, has demonstrated that they are coming to the country to be able to set up processing plant in our country. So let us be friendly. When they get at the airport, let them be received. Let them know that Kenya is a friendly country for investment, for tourism and everything else. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah? Okay, go ahead.
Chitab Kalenjin asome amutin en kamung'et nenwach. Kiwege ketestai ak tetutiet.